Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Collector and Fixer here, and I'm making a video on this non-electric. I am convinced that this isn't the oldest vacuum in my collection because, I mean, this has to be 100 years old. I mean, if it isn't, I'll be surprised. It's really old. There's no bag. Hopefully I'll get a bag for it. It says Marvel on it. Marvel Company, Hammond, IND, I don't know, Indiana maybe? So I'm just going to show it to you running. All you have to do is just push it. The wheels are what make it spin. It's about to stop. Okay, it took a while, but yeah, that's my non-electric, made by Marvel. Next will be my one of those Royals. Thanks for watching.